Hey guys, welcome to Protocoders Point. Okay, so in this photo tutorial, we will learn how to create an introduction screen or also called as app intro screen. So as you can see over here, I have created a simple app. It has an intro screen. It has a four introduction screen. So as you can see, this is page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, where you can instruct the user how to use your app. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so here I have created a new Flutter project in my Android Studio IDE, and I have done some basic coding part, means which all pages need to be shown. I have just created. So here I have created two pages, that is intro page and the home page. The home page you can call it as a dashboard page that will come after this intro page, and the intro page will be this all view model, page view models. Okay, so let's begin with the tutorial. So first of all, you must add a dependency, that is introduction screen. The latest version is 2.1.0. Okay, so just add it and hit this pub get button. Okay, so now go to intro page.dart. So here you need to import introduction screen so that you can make use of introduction screen widget in your this page. So here in body tag, just use this widget introduction screen. Okay, so after using this, so if you can see, there are various properties that you can make use of. So we will do it one by one. So first of all, we need to show a next button, done button. So set it to true. Show skip button, set it to true. Show next button and set it to true. Okay, and then you need to set text to these buttons. So for that, this is the property that you can make use of: text next, skip, skip, and on done button we will do it to done. Okay, so here what should happen when a done button is been pressed? So this is the method you must call. What happens when the user press on skip button? Okay, so these are the properties. These are the basic properties. So the main property is to show pages. So as you can see, this accept list of array or a list of pages, you can say. So I will just copy paste the code just for demonstration. So this is the code, I can say. So for now I am showing two pages in my app. So I will just restart my app now. Okay, so our app got restarted. So I will just show you now. Okay, so as you can see, so I have added two view page models. So this is the page 1 and this is page 2. Okay, so now if you see, this code is very confusing. So what I will do, I will just create a list of pages and pass it to this property. So here I will just create the list of pages. So I have already created it, so I am just copy pasting it. So here I have created a list that is of type view page view model, and this is the property name or a function name. So it returns a list of array. So here this is page 1, page 2, page 3 and page 4. So each pages has some properties such as title, body, footer, decoration, and the image property. Okay, so as you can see in the app, so this is the image, this is the title, the body, the footer text, and the decoration means the background. As you can see over here, this is the background. For this background, this it is. Okay, so now I will just call this in our page property. So I will just remove this one and I will just call the method. So now if I run the app, so you can see page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, and there is a done button over here. So when I press on the done button, nothing is happening because we have kept it empty. So now from this done button, what I will do is I will just navigate the user from intro page to home page. For that we will create a new function over here, void and welcome page context. Okay, so navigator dot pop, and then navigator of context dot push material page builder, material page root. So in builder tag you must navigate the user to home page. Okay, so just import this. Okay, so now what is happening in this function is, so we are removing this intro page from the user and then navigating the user to home.dat page. Okay, so now I just need to call this method. So in done, I will call this function. So the same thing when the user skip press on skip button. Okay, so now if I press on this next, done. So you can see the home page got loaded. So now if a user opens this app again, means he will be shown the intro screen again and again every time when the user reopens the app. So as you can see now, I have restarted the app. Let's see. Okay, so as you can see, the introduction screen is again shown to the user. So this should not happen. So for that we must do something. So the intro screen should be shown to the user only when the user is new. Okay, so for that uh, we need to store the data about the app. For example, if the introduction screen was already shown to the user or no. So for that we will make use of another library called as gettext storage and gettext. Okay, so for that just go to pub specification.yaml file. So here add this uh, dependency. Okay, so these are the two properties, means the dependency that you need to add. Okay, so now come to intro page. So here after adding the library gettext storage library, so here create an instance of it, final intro data is equal to get text storage. Okay, so after doing this, so when the user press on the done button or skip button, so we need to remember that the intro page were already shown to the user. So here intro data dot write displayed, let's set it to true. Okay, now come to main.dart file. So in main.dart file, we need to initialize the getText storage. So in this main method, make it asynchronization, and here you make use of await and initialize the getText storage. Okay, so now you can make use of getText properties, and then here instead of making use of material app, change it to get material app and just import the package. Okay, so now here same thing, you need to create an instance object of getText storage. Okay, so after doing it, here in init method, here check write if null if the display key is null, means if it is empty then set it to false, means the display is not been shown to the user yet. Okay, so after doing that, here in home page, what we will do is we will check it intro dot read the key is display. Okay, so if it is true then go to home page, else go to intro page. Okay, so that's it. So let's check the app now. I will just restart it. I'm stopping the app and now I'm restarting it. Okay, so app got installed. Okay, so next, done. So now I am in home page. So if I again restart it, now the intro screen was already displayed to me. So if user reopen the app in future, so the intro screen will not be shown to the user. Okay, so as you can see over here, so the app was directly navigated to home page. The user was not able to see the intro screen again. Okay, so that's all for this video tutorial. Hope you got the concept of how to use introduction screen and how to show the introduction screen only once to a user. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe Protocoders Point.